do a thing wrong. I'm a very innocent man, and it's okay.
But not in the eyes of the jury that just delivered a devastating history-making decision against the former president in New York.
The jury has found former President Donald Trump guilty on all 34 counts in his hush money trial, falsifying business records. The outcome, a resounding victory for the prosecution.
At 6 o'clock straight up, let's take a live look now as the Trump motorcade will make its way back to Trump Tower, we assume. We were just questioning whether or not they closed some of the roadways down there completely. At this point, we see the traffic is mixed in. Mixed reactions tonight from the crowd outside that courthouse. In fact, the president just tweeted out there's only one way to keep Donald Trump out of the Oval Office, at the ballot box. NBC 10 is here for you tonight. I'm Gene Belicenti.
And I'm Patrice Wood. Donald Trump is now the first president in U.S. history to be convicted of a criminal offense. Dan Janig is standing by with the latest information. Dan?
You're right, Patrice. That jury deliberated for 9.5 hours, and what an afternoon. At this hour, the Trump motorcade appears to be headed to LaGuardia Airport. We're keeping our eye on that. But back in Lower Manhattan, in a courtroom, history was made, many would say, for all the wrong reasons. Guilty 34 times. And as that verdict was read, Trump did not move, but appeared to sigh as the jurors left the room. The 6-week trial centered on the concealment of a hush money payment to adult film star Stormy Daniels just ahead of the 2016 election. Daniels claims she had a sexual encounter with Trump in 2006. Trump denies that. In order to keep Daniels quiet, she says she was paid $130,000 by then Trump attorney Michael Cohen, less than 2 weeks before the election. The jury found the manner in which Trump reimbursed Cohen constituted falsification of business records. And the former president spoke moments ago after that verdict was read.
This was a disgrace. This was a rigged trial by a conflicted judge who was corrupt. It's a rigged trial, a disgrace. They wouldn't give us a venue change. We were at 5% or 6% in this district, in this area. This was a rigged, disgraceful trial. But the real verdict is going to be November 5th by the people. And they know what happened here, and everybody knows what happened here.
Now, let me just lay down what's ahead as this story breaks right now out of New York and across this country. Trump will be sentenced on July 11th. The judge could sentence Trump to probation or up to 4 years for each count in state prison with a maximum of 20 years. He can also appeal, and you'd be a fool to think that he won't, and that could take months.